Oh, whoa, dude. Oh, I do. Stand alive, stand alive. Good morning. Okay, sorry. Good afternoon. I am artist dude. Oh, like, have you guys, like, can you guys dance? Like, when I was like in my grade 2 sandwich and I was like thinking of like artwork, I was like, okay. Like I just wanted to make like a grade cheese dancing. I'm just trying to tell my story. Dude, chill out. Oh, you angry, man. Alright, dudes and dudettes. I did this painting like yesterday. Like, when I was in my living room, I was doing this. If you get wild and still to tell about it, I'm a woman's man. Oh, like, yeah, man, okay. Hey, camera guy in the back, can you show the dudes and dudettes the artwork? I call it the dancing grilled cheese, right? Side. I'm on TV. Side. Oh, okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, dude. I wish like the picture like moves. Like, I wish y'all can see when to do this, you know. Oh, like in my mind, I was like, like grilled cheese is like my favorite. Ooh, relax, man. Dudes and dudettes, how did you guys like the art? Was it gay? $2.1 million. Like, I just want to tell you guys, thank you for like being there for me. Like when I only had like the cheese and not the bread. You guys are there for me. Thank you. Dude, relax, man. Okay. You guys can go to the front, dudes and dudettes. Because that guy's like, he's like, I get my noggin, like, he's getting on my nerves. Oh, dude, chill out. Okay? Bye, guys. I am the artist dude, and see you guys next week. Enjoy your Sunday, dudes and dudettes. Like, go outside and like skateboard or something. Do artwork. Remember what I like to tell people when I see them in the street. Oh, can I have a grilled cheese sandwich? Oh, my. Oh.